Hi everyone, out you are. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into the video that I'd like to do each week, just to check up a health check on the market and just keep everyone up to speed with what's going on. Okay, so this is the total market cap. This condenses all of crypto into one chart. Okay, so you don't have to look at individual charts to sort of see where we're going. This is all of it. Okay, so if this is looking healthy, then crypto's looking healthy basically, and so far you're doing well. Okay, you've come up, you've ran into 0786. I think I said to you last week you're potentially going to hit your head on that and come back to support, and that's exactly what you're doing. Look, so right now you're forming some kind of horizontal here. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so if you conform to this yellow line, which is a 20 on the daily, and you're doing this, hitting your head, what are you doing? You're forming a ascending triangle, which you're coming up into. Okay, this is bullish. This is a bullish continuation pattern. Okay, providing we can hold this now, hold this support, this 20, and break this level resistance, you've got a technical target. Okay, let me show you. So it's from there to there, and if you break out of this level of resistance just there for crypto of, let me tell you exactly what it is, 2.15 trillion. If you break out, you're looking at a beautiful upside coming back up to almost where the all-time high is at 2.57. So anticipate some kind of break is close, and we are seeing Bitcoin come into some kind of apex. A lot of coins are just sitting there, poised to go, or are going to lose support. And again, if you lose support here, you do have a technical target. Wherever you lose support, okay, you lose support along this apex, wherever it is, you could see a little rollover here coming down to the 55 on a daily. But again, I want to reassure you that that's really healthy, because this is what happens. You come down, especially when you start to form a new wave, as you did here. You've broken out of a correction basically. You come up, what did you do? You back to the 55 continuation again. Some kind of horizontal there, resistance, fell out to the 55 continuation. So do anticipate that is what you could see, but I want to reassure you that is healthy, and that could be that kind of September dump. But some break is close, look, because you're coming to the apex. You're being forced into a level of resistance by the EMAs. You're holding a 10, okay, the 20 on the daily. You're holding it, break resistance, see you later. Okay, so lose support, see you later. You're going short down to the 55. Okay, and that's basically the health of the market at the moment. But so far so good. You've come up, you run into resistance, you're rolling back to support like you did there. Resistance, support, holding the 20. Boom, a break is coming, very, very, very close. Sometime over the next couple of days to this week coming, I do think that you are looking at some kind of ascending triangle here, which primarily, is a bullish continuation pattern coming into the apex. Get continuation, pump to the upside. You're looking at appreciation across the board here for crypto. Lose support, you're looking at a rollover coming back to a key level support before continuation. Okay, and that might coincide with that September dump, might it? Okay, but again, and I'm saying it all the videos lately, but just because we've seen it before in September does not necessarily mean it's going to happen again. So yeah, that's a little health update. But again, I'll always remind people, okay, if you're just sitting in the wings and you're waiting for a fantastic entry point for any of your crypto projects, just wait for a break of this high, because as soon as you see this high broken, you've got impulsive waves to the upside, continuation basically. So look, right now you're forming this beautiful impulsive wave and you're moving up. You break this high, you're looking at appreciation from here up to the 1618 at 4.28 trillion. You're looking at 66% appreciation for the total market capitalization of crypto. And with that, it's not all going to go to Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever. It's going to get spread across crypto. That's how it works. Okay, so you're looking at appreciation, and equally you break this high, you are looking at further extension of the 1618, which is our original 1618 target laid down many years ago of 2.9 trillion for crypto. And you can see we ran shy of that, had a correction, come down to this swing high here, found support, building ourselves back up. And at that point, if you do run into the 1618 and we start to roll down again, we want to see this high held as support, the previous local high, and that'd be golden, absolutely golden. So yeah, this is what we're coming up against. If we roll over and hold support, we're still looking at continuation. It's when you start to lose key level support here, that's when we flip the switch basically. And if we start to do something like this, full transparency, this could be a precursor. I'll show you right now. If we do something like this for Bitcoin, for crypto, sorry, I'll show you. If we start doing something like this, not financial advice, but think about your position in crypto, and it is this. Look, watch. So say you ran into that as resistance and you can't break it. Okay, this level of resistance just there, you can't break it, and you roll back, and you roll back to a key level support, and you start to lose that support, and you come down and you retest this low. That is negative. And not only because you've lost that, it's because you might rally there and people think, oh no, it's just a little, retest support, we're going to go back up. You'd be forming a descending triangle. okay? And this is what I've said to you. Until you start to form the patterns, you're still bullish. It's only when you start to form them patterns that are very negative and you're losing market structure, okay, and you're creating reversal structures like you did here of a massive ascending triangle, that it becomes negative. Do you understand this? So look, you rolled over like this, you come down, yay, bounced off key level support, yay, we're going back to the moon. No, we lost it. As soon as you start doing that, that's really bad. You've not done that yet, okay? That's why I said to you, all the way down here, don't panic. Don't panic. You're looking at a retest of resistance above before you get a confirmation of the bear, okay? So, yeah, if we do run into resistance here and we have a whopping dump in the market here and we start to come down and bounce off this support, this is really negative. It's really negative. It's a precursor to a bear market. It's not a bear market, but it's a precursor to a bear market. Your bear market is when you lose this swing high, okay? You lose this structural low and you lose and fall out of that. As soon as you do that, that's your bear market, just as it was down here, okay? That's your bear market. And I will give you the bear market bottom as well. You know, your bear market bottom across all the alts. I'll tell you exactly what it is. I won't feed you no spiel. But yeah, as soon as you start to do that, you're losing structure. You can see you're losing this low. Look, lower highs, look, massive descending triangle. It's a major signal of losing structure, and especially you come down, you're losing this low that you've created for yourself. That's a big precursor, because from there you were looking at a further depreciation of around about 58% on your projects, okay? But so far, not got that yet. I think that what we're going through here, and I do keep saying this to people, is a wave 2 correction. I think this was wave 1, wave 2. You know, we're picking up. We're here now. We're here. This is where we are in the markets. I believe that we're here. But ignore this. Ignore this. Please ignore this. This is an anomaly. This is a corona dump. Bitcoin was bullish here. Crypto was bullish here. Come up, and it was looking for support, pretty much like what you're going to look for soon, I think, on crypto. And right there, capitulation because of corona, V-shaped recovery because of how strong the markets was, continuation. So unless we have a corona dump or some unforeseeable black swan or stock market crash or something like that, then I don't anticipate that we're looking at, you know, a whopping correction here for crypto. I keep saying Bitcoin by accident, I do apologize. I think that we're looking for continuation, providing we can hold support, and that's exactly what we're doing. You know, if we do have a correction, 55 needs to hold. It starts to lose. That's negative. That's a precursor. There you go. Simple. Okay. So yeah, I mean, a lot of the bears, I'll be honest with you, a lot of the bears, when crypto was coming down here, it was creating a bullish reversal pattern. The bears were telling people to sell here. You know, I was telling people, you've broken out key level resistance, you're looking at retesting these highs at least, and that's exactly what Bitcoin and crypto, I keep saying Bitcoin, that's exactly what crypto's done. You rallied, you're looking relatively healthy, providing you don't roll over here and lose these key level support which are giving you, you know, you're still looking at continuation. Come back down, have a little correction, or even get forced out of this apex, pop out, boom. You know, and all these people selling down here, because maximum fear, maximum FOMO, which is what you buy, by the way, I've told you that. You buy fear, you buy, not maximum FOMO, you buy FUD, okay? You buy fear. When there's blood in the streets, that's where you enter, okay? And especially if you're bouncing off swing highs, which you did there. Yeah, look at that, beautiful, okay? So yeah, it's looking good. It's looking golden for continuation, providing we can hold and back test and hold support. We're looking fantastic for continuation here, and there is some kind of break that's coming relatively soon here for crypto. You know, you have got some kind of horizontal, and you're coming into the apex of it on the daily time frame. You know, you're doing something like this, and some kind of break is coming relatively soon, because I think the market's got a little bit boring, hasn't it? It's sort of going sideways, chip, chop, you know, a bit boring. If we break, we're looking at beautiful continuation here. Like I said to you, breaking resistance, you're looking at continuation to the upside. And our technical targets in this bull run of the 1618 at 4.28 trillion there for crypto. And with that, you know, I've got my price tags on Bitcoin around about 107k. And then that's not even the year end. The cycle end, I think, is 11.76 trillion. But again, that's another story, and I will go through that with you at a later date. But yeah, that's crypto at the minute. It's looking good. You're being forced into some kind of move in the minute, you know. So do anticipate you're either going to lose that support, come down to the 55 on the daily, on the total market cap, or you're going to break out here, and with that you're just going to see continuation, break the all-time high for the crypto market cap, and that in itself is mega bullish for crypto. Okay, take care everyone, back to another update on crypto. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.